pananaw at damdamin ng isa sa kanyang mga paboritong kasamahan sa ating industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. Mga kaibigan, ang nag-iisang Diamond Star, Maricel Soriano.
Watch the sky, and I can hear it breathe a sigh. I think of him, how we were, and when I think of him, then I remember. Promises of light, but he can't conceal from me the love in his eyes. His eyes, the look that hypnotized me. If I'm wise, I will walk away gladly. But sadly, I'm not wise. It's hard to talk away the memories that you rise. Love is worth forgiving for. Now I realize.